Songs by myself, I don't care for real. It's like I'm gonna put it out regardless. If it go up, I'm gonna be happy. If it don't go up, I'm gonna still be happy. You know? Like I'm gonna still be happy. Just I got to put the song out. Like even if this shit get 1,000 plays or 10,000 plays, I still be happy. Like you feel me? Cause I know them 1,000 plays ain't coming from 1,000 of my niggas. That you feel me? It's coming from 1,000 motherfuckers who just admire me. You feel me? And appreciate my artistry. There we go. Chasing no bitch. Hey, I'm chasing no bitch. I'm chasing my dreams. My girl from Mali. She chasing the lean. Ain't chasing no bitch. No, never. I'm chasing my dreams. A nigga try to come between. It's gonna be a real bloody scene. Yo. When I say gang, say gang, gang. Hey man, who ready to turn the fuck up in this bitch? For the can't come to my track. Back. You already know we pull up, we like slap. Looks all made it out the track, came right back. Looks all made it out the track, came right back. They can't come to my track. Back. Pull up, we pull up and we like slack. Nigga at the store on the block, little Chxpo, I don't mill around, let the glizzy pop. With the fitted side in the trap with a pretty thigh. Said this shit a lot, cause I really like them boys. Little Chxpo, man, I really like to say this bitch, and I only do boys. Shoot a nigga out of court. I was really on the block with my squad, and I really so hard. Stick train through full clip, man got Chxpo, watch my guy. Lefty, Lucy, righty, tight. Big kid with him. What's up? Hey, real quick. Everybody could be on this stage. Everybody could be somebody. This shit ain't about none. Chase a bag and chase your dreams. Hey, chase a bag and chase your dreams. You will get rich off of this shit. I came from none. I'm from Cleveland, Ohio. Oh God. We global now on my mama.
Yes, sir.
Free Shino, free Rushy, free Yells, free the whole Madison and Dallas. Hey, I love y'all. Pipe the fuck up.
Prettiest fat nigga alive, bitch.